Welcome to Cash Acme training videos. My name is Craig and this is a training video for the Heatguard MultiFlex Thermostatic mixing valve. This innovative valve allows water to be stored in a water heater at 150 degrees Fahrenheit, which kills Legionella but eliminates the risk of scalding, as the valve reduces the water temperature to 120 degrees Fahrenheit by mixing in cold water at the outlet of the water heater. The higher storage temperature will also allow delivery of more hot water to the household, increasing the heater's output by up to 50%. With the water to the house turned off and the water in the pipes drained, remove the hot and cold water lines from the tank, along with any excess tape or sealant from the threads. Reapply Teflon tape to the hot and cold heater nipples. Make sure to deburr the hot and cold lines servicing the house. On the cold inlet side, thread the smaller brass T onto the nipple, leaving the threads on the side facing the back of the heater. Next, thread the mixing valve onto the hot outlet nipple, again leaving the threads on the side facing the back of the heater. Then, install the flex hose to the threads on both hot and cold sides. Now the Heatguard MultiFlex valve is installed, you can connect it to your system. We'll be using SharkBite water heater connectors for this step. Take the SharkBite flex hose with the ball valve and thread the female end onto the top of the cold water T. Next, take the other flex hose and thread the female end onto the top of the mixing valve on the hot side. Make sure copper pipe is deburred and marked. Then push the ball valve flex hose securely on to the cold water supply, and then the SharkBite end of the hot side flex hose onto the hot water supply. If you're not using flexible water heater connectors, it will be necessary to put Teflon tape on the threads of the T and the mixing valve before making your final connections to the supply lines. Now the system is connected, turn the water back on. Turn the temperature at the heater up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The Heatguard MultiFlex valve is factory set to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. You can install a SharkBite temperature gauge or use a thermometer to check the temperature at the nearest fixture to the heater and adjust the mixing valve if needed. Remember, the Heatguard MultiFlex Thermostatic mixing valve prevents Legionella and scalding, increases the usable capacity of a water heater, saves money and reduces our impact on the environment.